Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the icebox gasket in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 7/16" wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Use the small flathead screwdriver to release the retaining tabs to detach the icebox cover. Disconnect the heater wire connector to fully remove the cover. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the icebox. Disconnect the main icebox wire connector, as well as the ice maker and heater wire connectors. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the waterline retaining bracket free. Using the 7/16" wrench, depress the retaining ring to release the ice maker fill tube from the dual water valve. You can now pull the icebox forward to remove. Now use the small flathead screwdriver to release the 4 retaining clips to detach the rear duct extension. Rotate the extension out of the way. You can now remove the old icebox gasket. To install the new icebox gasket, align it on the duct, then reposition the duct extension and snap the clips into place. Reinstall the icebox by aligning the 4 retaining hooks with the notches in the upper liner and push the box straight back. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Fully insert the ice maker fill tube into the dual valve port and secure the line in the retainer. Reposition the waterline retaining bracket. Reconnect the ice maker and heater wire connectors, as well as the main icebox wire connector. Reconnect the icebox cover heater wire connector, then align the top edge of the cover and snap the bottom of the cover into place. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.